Crazy snow. We're in a blizzard. It's a whiteout. You can't even see. There was a street there. It's not there anymore, obviously. I canceled work today. Today's February 2nd. Ringing in February with a bang. All the schools are canceled. Sent home everybody from work. And here we are. I'm supposed to go out there and shovel. I don't know. Looks like my battery's dying, so I don't know how much time I have left on this, but Kansas City. There's a sign up there, you can't even see it. It's a yield sign. That's not even to the end of my street, you can't even see it. There's a street there somewhere, I promise. Can't even see it across the street. So if you're someplace warm, be happy, because cold sucks. That is all.